Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be the most awaited video of this YouTube channel because I have taken at least of 1 week to curate to create this video. I did a lot of research to give you a most organized content, most organized investment suggestions for the whole bull market. So I will be explaining each and everything about the portfolio building, strategy, advices, and lots of different case scenarios on the portfolio. So stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm just telling you and I can guarantee you whatever the level of knowledge you have into the cryptocurrencies investment, you will be getting better at least 1% by watching this full video because I will be explaining a lot of my experiences that I have been into the past two bull market. So stay tuned to the video till the end. So before going to the investment part, I'm just telling you one thing, which is very simple thing. As we can witness that Bitcoin is moving very fast. So just 15 minutes back, we have seen like it went from 66 to 68. And if you go to the CoinGecko, most of the cryptocurrencies are moving upward. So if you see in a 24 hours, Beam, Phantom, Injective, they are up by 10%. So ultimately, if you see Bitcoin is the driving force behind all the cryptocurrencies growth, so we have to focus on the Bitcoin first. So this is giving you the macro perspective of the crypto market. So currently we have around 2.6 trillion dollars into the cryptocurrency, and this is the CoinGecko. If you don't know about the CoinGecko, so CoinGecko is the marketplace where most of the cryptocurrencies are listed. So let's go directly to the portfolio and try to understand your portfolio building thing. So first thing is, this video is not a very clear cut video where you can get the exact right answers. This is the way, by watching this video you will be into the situation of making good decisions for your investment, because everyone has some different investment scenarios. Everyone has different aspects into the investment and different expectation with their investment. So I have curated these three tables for that. One is risk profile based on, so if you there are some tokens of high cap, mid cap, low cap, aggressive, balanced, and stable. So anybody, so suppose if somebody has $1 million into the investment of the cryptocurrency, they must be looking to make a portfolio in such a way they can do some 5x or 10x of the investment. But if somebody has invested $100 only, that might not be looking for 5x or 10x. They must be going into the aggressive side to make at least 50x. So there are some different scenarios behind all the investment things. So first thing is, you have to decide what is the investment size of yours. So suppose if you have $1,000 and if you're looking for 10x, 15x, 20x, if you have 100k, if you're looking for 20x, 30x, and if you have 1 million, and if you're looking for 10x, 20x, 50x, you have to decide this thing first, because I can guarantee you, so cryptocurrency investment is still a very risky and the whole market is very volatile. So I'm not in a situation to lose all my money that I have. So I must be putting all the money into the crypto market, which is I'm able to lose it. I'm looking, if in case I lose that, I can't be regret, because I know it. So even if you lose some money, you will be regretting that. But I'm just giving you some advices that only put that money which you're looking to lose into the cryptocurrency market. So all right. So finally, these are the tokens: high cap, mid cap, low cap. So if you want to make money, which is around 25x to 50x, then you are an investor with some aggressive mindset. Then you have to allocate your investment some around 25% into high cap. High cap means BTC, Ethereum, Solana. Mid cap, some mid cap tokens which are in 1 billion, 2 billion of market cap right now, and low cap which are around 100 mil, 200 mil around. So they can do 50x, maybe lower than that, 10 million, 50 million. And if you're looking for some balanced portfolio, then you have to move 50% of your investment into some stable version, BTC, ETH, and Solana kind of thing, L1s. And if you're looking for stable one, then I would say just go 70% into some BTC, ETH, and Solana, and rest of the money into some mid cap and low cap. So this is the overall structure. So overall structure is decided by two things. So these are the major two things in which you have to decide. First thing is investment size, and second thing is risk reward ratio. How much risk you can take and how much money you wanted to make into this market, and you are also willing to lose that money. So you have to think in that way. So just decide it before going to the next forward into this video. So decide how much money if you are looking to invest and how much money you are making, you are looking to make 10x, 20x or whatever. So let's go to the strategy directly. So strategy is very simple. The goal of building portfolio is to get maximum return from this bull cycle, but based on personal financial equation you have. So I have 100k, then I have to think in a very separate manner than you, because if you have $1,000 into your portfolio, so it is completely different for everyone. Second thing is Bitcoin is going to guide us about the macro perspective of the cycle and an indicator on what we need to do with our altcoins. So if Bitcoin is moving around 150k, 200k, then at that time we have to think about selling the altcoin. It's not the way that we are sitting into the altcoin because my altcoin did not perform very well and it did not perform 25x because I was expecting that. We don't need to think in that way. So if Bitcoin is giving a signal that Bitcoin is into the euphoria phase, into the very top of the cycle, then we have to think in such a way that we have to leave, we have to sell our altcoin irrespective of the profit that we did. So this is the second thing which I am considering. So if Bitcoin cycle is over, then altcoins are gone. So we have to be in the situation that even if we did 5x, 7x, 8x, 10x, and if Bitcoin is looking very overbought, then we have to sell our altcoin, because there are most of the chances that we are not even making 2x or 3x. We might be into minus negative PNL. So we have to be very critical on this. If Bitcoin is giving a signal that the whole market is into euphoria zone, then we have to sell our altcoins. So this is the very basic strategy how you have to deal the whole market. One very simple advice that I would add here is try to keep your investment strategy as simple as that. Very simple, because as a single person, you cannot handle multiple strategies, multiple situations, multiple tokens. Try to keep your investment strategies, investment tokens, investment methods as simple, as minimal as that. Very simple methods. Second, let's move to the advices that I have for you. So build your portfolio and evaluate your trading style. So everyone has a very separate trading style. Somebody prefers to trade on daily basis. Somebody prefers to trade even a month basis. Somebody just directly buy and do some coffee can investing. So it's very different thing. So just build your portfolio and evaluate your trading style. What is the trading style you wanted to follow to the whole market? Second, keep eyes on market narratives and inject into the good projects. So suppose the whole market narratives right now is into AI, deepin, RWA, gaming and meme tokens. So it's not a good advice to go into L1s like even in L2, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, because this market is not hot yet. Most of the market which is hot is into AI, into gaming, into meme tokens. Like we have already seen, lots of meme tokens over the Solana are hitting 50x, 20x, 25x. So it's not a smart choice to go out of these trends. So we have to invest into the market narratives. So current market narrative is into AI, then we can go for Tau, FET, Arcam and lots of AI tokens. And if we are into memes scenario, then we can go for WIF, Pepe and lots of meme tokens. Just be into the trend to get most of the profit, because our whole aim is to make profits. Our whole aim is not to have good tokens in our hand. Even they do just 2x, it's not a point to be into the crypto market. Then just go into the stocks. The whole point is being into the crypto market is to make most of the money, because this market is 100% it is working for 24 hours and it is completely volatile. It can go 30% up in a day and 30% down in a day. So it is a very speculative market, and the whole aim of every investor, I think most of the investor, is just to make money. So just keep eyes on market narratives and inject into the good projects. And another thing, so this is something which is new, I think, because I follow this kind of strategy. I believe the whole cycle, one bull cycle, is work. It works into three phases. So the first phase is the starting phase when the whole market shift from bear market to bull market, and in that phase, we actually focus on building the portfolio into the good projects. So if I feel that we have to ape into the BTC, then we just buy BTC, we buy Ethereum, we buy some L1s, we buy some narrative based tokens, AI, RW tokens. And in the whole first phase, we just see which token is performing well, which narrative is performing well. So if we see the L2 are not performing, then it is time to leave them. So the second phase comes in when we actually rebalance our portfolio. So the first phase is just for buying the tokens, whatever we feel that this project is good, this project is good, we just buy them. And the whole second phase comes into the picture. So I'm expecting the first phase is done because the whole market moved from 15k BTC to 70k, and then again went back to 55. So first phase is done. So we are into the second phase when the whole BTC market is climbing upside, and this is the second phase. And in this phase, our target is just to rebalance our tokens. What is rebalancing is, so basically first thing is we have to sell off all the tokens which are not performing well and which are out of the narrative, especially L2. I would say just leave the L2. They might do 15x, 20x, I don't know, but just leave the L2s and focus on best performing tokens, so like AI, RWA, gaming, and memes. So these are the four categories I would prefer. Just keep these tokens and all the tokens which are performing well, rebalance them, and whenever the market goes up, just sell few of them. Whenever the market goes down, buy more. So in the second phase, our target is just to increase the amount of tokens, quantity of the tokens of the good project. So the first phase is building. Second phase is increasing the quantity of the tokens that we are holding, which we believe they are good fundamentals, they are good price actions. And let's talk about the third phase. So the third phase is the phase when the euphoria is there, when the BTC is at the peak. At that time, we have to be very clear cut that we are not buying any token at any cost. We just need to sell. Like the profit. So start taking profit once the market start exploding insane. So most of the people, what they do is, if the market is going up, they just sell the tokens. But once the market corrected a bit, they start buying again, because everyone is pushing a scenario into the Twitter and everywhere into the social media: buy the dip, eat the dip. In the third phase, you don't need to buy any token, because that's the whole thing where the whole influencers actually playing the game, being the exit liquidity. They want you to buy tokens so that they can sell their tokens at the higher prices. So you don't need to do at that time. So I think it is very clear to you. First phase is building, when you just invest into good projects, and second phase of the rebalancing, where you just sell off the tokens which are out of the narrative, and you just try to increase the amount of the tokens just by trading it. When the market up by 30%, you just sell, and when the market down by 20%, you try to buy more. So this is the whole thing of the rebalancing. And when the third phase comes into the picture, you only sell the token. You never buy. Even if you lose some of the profit, 20%, 30%, it's okay. It's better to have zero in your hand. So it's better if you have some profits in your hand. So third phase is about the taking the profit. So I'm just writing it down very clearly. Second phase of the cycle is for trading. So second phase of the cycle is basically for the trading. Take the profit on highs and buy on every dips to maximize your exposure in good project. So if you are holding, suppose 10 tau at the build phase, so your target is to increase these tau by 12, 13, 14 without reinvesting the tokens, without reinvesting the money, without reinvesting the USDT. Your target is to sell at high and buy at low, so that you can increase the quantity of the those good projects. So that is for the second phase. And third phase, never sell 100% of tokens. Yeah, this is what just a just a piece of advice. Never sell 100% of tokens. Sell in small chunks, 20 to 25% of every pump, so that you don't miss the profits. So even it goes by 20%, you sold everything, and then again market goes 2x and 3x, you are just like, I don't have any tokens. So in that phase, you have to wait. You have to sell 20 to 25% on every pump that you feel it is a good pump. So this is all about the how to deal with the market, how to deal with the bull market. Let's move directly to the portfolio. So if you are looking for some stable portfolio, then this is the portfolio I would suggest. So this is the BTC. Currently BTC is at 65,000 and I'm expecting this could do a 2x around, which is 140k. And ETH would be my second choice. Sol would be my third. Tau, because AI narrative is there and I feel like it can do 10x. So these tokens are very stable version. Phantom is performing very well. Even if you see the BTC market is just pumping right now, if you go to the cryptocurrency market and if you see in the top 100, if I do 7 days return, then Phantom is at the top. This is growing like insane. So I think Phantom is performing very well. They are also going into some consensus summit in just 31st of March. Let me search Phantom. Okay, I heard somewhere that they are participating into some consensus summit. So all right, so this is something we could consider it as a stable portfolio where we have BTC, driving factor of the whole crypto market, Ethereum, top L1, Solana, trending L1, Tau, AI leader, Phantom, L2 leader, and Chainlink. Chainlink is basically Oracle, which every product requires the Oracle. Even it is any DeFi project, whether it is a Deepin project, whether it is a RWA project, they look for the Oracle, and Chainlink is the biggest and largest Oracle into the crypto market. So this is worth to have into your stable portfolio, and this is the allocation that I have did into the stable portfolio. If I go to the aggressive portfolio, this is something where you are looking for most of the returns. Then these are the narratives I'm looking for. So DeFi, so Arrow is the very good projects. I will explain about the Arrow very separately into the video, because why this Arrow can do 50x from here. Because this current price of Arrow is $1 and I'm expecting this could go $50 by the peak of this bull market. And two AI tokens, AIOZ and MT. So these are very good projects and very aggressive. They can do 10x, 20x, and AIOZ can do 10x. Gaming Ronin can do 15x, 20x. Mavia, this is the gaming project. This can do 20 to 25x easily. Phantom, I'm again very hopeful with the Phantom. It can do 25x. And L2 mode. So the recent L2 came into the market called Mode, and this is currently at the market cap of 50 mil, only 50 mil, and this can do 5 bill. I'm expecting this could go 100x if everything goes right. This could be next Solana. And for the meme tokens, I think meme has the very good narrative into this season, and they can do 50x, 25x very easily. So I will create a very separate video on memes. Which meme token you have to buy and which could do well, and why you have to invest into meme coins. So I will do a very separate video on that. So this is all about the stable and aggressive portfolio. So if you are looking for balanced portfolio, I will create another video on the balanced portfolio. So stay tuned and keep subscribing my channel so that you could get good quality content. And this is how you actually allocate your portfolio. Very simple. Just decide your investment size, just decide your risk and reward, how much you are looking to lose and how much you are looking to make into this market, and then some piece of strategy and advices for you to maintain your strategy style into this bull market. So that's all about the video, and see you into the next video. Thank you.